And now I'm joined by one of the coach who has qualified for the knockout round in the under-14s junior championships, Coach Mawumane of PSV, who come from Mamatulu. Coach, Bingelele coach, reflection the tournament yanamuhle coach nibone njani namuhla?
Yeah, sounds like bonga tuba part. As for reflection le tournament yanamuhla. Ngasho ukuthi beyilo 50-50 somehow, cause kunetinto positive itinto negative. Then my example lengawena lokuthi positive lokuthi ma team ongashwapile sadlala kahle wangabi nemsindo. Then into negative pick up ile namhlanje lokuthi ngokubona kwami besidlala isikhathi esilingananga. Ma team noma yebedlala maybe isikhathi leside then nama idlala isikhathi esincane yabo. Then nakuthi kuyacheckwa lenye team yacheckwa lenye team ayicheckwa. So yeah ngiloko language but overall ngasho tournament bekahle hambe kahle.
Coach Mawumane ngiqhamuka eMatsulu coach, i-message lebe ungadzunayo kulabafana ekubagcugcutela ukuthi boys we're going to perhaps one of the biggest tournaments lekhona eMpumalanga ku development. Ngiphi i-message lebo kadzunayo uyisho tuke bafana ukuthi bafana singathuki kuchubekela phambili. Siyathi ngiyavuma sisuke eMatsulu bakhona labake bayidlala le tournament lena laba perhaps we may say bana experience in terms of to say ukuthi idlalwa kanjani le tournament lena ne intensity akusiyo le maybe perhaps singasho ukuthi boso bejwayele udlala bafana udlala. I-message bekade nayo kusuke eMatsulu isolo uyisho ebafaneni beyithini?
Message lebengayo bengukuthi same soyenda ilikasi lethu libe proud because even like tournament le team lebekhona le represent eMatsulu bekungisodwana. So yeah ngivela ngibatshela ukuthi si represent ilikasi lethu sidlale kahle showcase the talent lethu sikhombe nama team nangayadi PSV ukuthi team lenjani and idlala njani.
Coach, uma bengakubuza coach siqhubekela phambili coach, niyaduka kuma knockout rounds coach. Coach ngikuphi lengahle sikulinzele or fanatics or balandzeli benu baseMatsulu or across the Lofel region la ungasho ukuthi nebatali labangaba nawo to have towards ukuthi hayi batali ngilena indlela esingasho siqhubekele phambili ngayo ningasithemba ngalokuphelele ukuthi okay ngikulandzela kwethu isigaba esihamba so.
Manje sinqhubekela phambili lokuthi asengene example njenge leyo one tournament mamecha namuhla manje samanye player ethu akakhona ngakude ngoba yena sekuqalile ukubhala ama exams nani so labanye bangafuni emakhaya kubo bethu. So next match ngasho ukuthi le next round ma knockout ngasho ukuthi ufuna siphelele so because sinokubhala sonke sobe sesiqedile. So ngasho message lenginayo ngileyo then ngicela nebatali ukuthi bavumele abantwana babo bethu batodlala bethe training sitimisele so.
Coach Bathonzi, coach ngiyakubona abafana bakho ngala emuva bayahlabelela coach. Kuyimvokoto lenganani lokukulethela yona kubayeva babona bajabulena kangaka kubona iqembu liqhubekela phambili li-PSV hopes coming from eMatsulu. Perhaps one highlights eMatsulu athi it's a place yet does but to make or to bring them to a tournament engangalena coach ubakhombise ukuthi kuyakhona kwendakala coach. Wena kungicoach nje we-development ukwenda uTivu uthi chanye enganani ngokulibona leli phupho nalo abafana labanalo ukuthi lisaphila ukwenda uTivu njani coach?
Hey mina ngifuna ukukhuluma ngijabulisa kakhulu ngoba okay kona ngathi bengihope ukuthi sidodlala kahle siperform kahle swini but then the performance namuhla ngijabulisa kakhulu ngicabanga ukuthi perform kahle so ngasho ukuthi abaqhubeke baperforme kahle sidlale kuma knockout rounds sidlale kahle swini siqhubeke njalo sibuye nasejimini siphelele ngoba yilabanye iyitrain abafana nawo ngiloko.
Coach sibonge kakhulu isikhathi sakho coach, hamba uhlabelela neqembu lakho sitakubona kuma knockout rounds coach. All the best preparations ukuqhubekela phambili coach.
Akunankinga ama preparations for ukuqhubekela phambili lokuthi ngathi ngifuna sifocus okay singafocus like kwento yinye kuphela sifocus ku defend no attack hayi ukuthi sifocus ukuthi nesi team lesenza kudlala ibhola nani yabo. Then if ufika kuma aerials nani if kuma cross or kuma corner noma kuma long throw in uma set pieces khona kwa defender now hayi ukuthi sikhona kudlala ibhola phasi kuphela. Lo ngasho ukuthi focus ku onke ama department ku final third nakulo then nase center ngikwenza sibonga kakhulu coach. Thank you.